Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the first video of the Coding Noob. Now before we get started, just want to let y'all know this is not a coding video, it's just a simple channel overview, sharing why I started the channel, what my inspiration was, and all of that good stuff. So if you're expecting a coding video, that won't be out until about next week, so like August 15th-ish. So anyway, or not 15th, God, August 19th, around that time. Anyway, so as I was saying, it's just a channel overview, sharing why I started the channel and all of that. So this channel, the Coding Noob, is exactly that. I am a noob at coding, and I've always wanted to learn how to code, how to make a game, how to, do all of that. So I made this channel to, well, not, learn myself, but also be someone that y'all can watch and learn along with if you're at that stage, if you're at the beginner stage and want to learn. So we'll be in Unity making games. We'll be using online organizers on Google, be stealing everything from YouTube. Everything, all the code, most of the design. No, I'm just kidding. But we will be using a lot of YouTube to figure out stuff because I don't have books. And like, who reads coding books anyway? Like, we have YouTube, we have Daddy Brackies, or like Big Boy Danny. We got Big Boy Danny. Dude's amazing. Anyway. So yeah, this is really just a place for not only for me to learn how to code, but also for all of you to follow along, learn yourself, that sort of thing. So for inspiration for this channel, I've always loved stories. I love stories told well. It's a better way to put it. Anyone likes stories. I love stories told well. Sam Raimi's Spider-Man. Amazing movies. Amazing series. If you haven't already, I would highly recommend going to High Top Films on YouTube and watching all 3 videos on the Sam Raimi Spider-Man movies. Amazing. Anyway, that's all I'll say about Sam Raimi Spider-Man. Amazing movies, amazing stories, and I would love to be able to tell stories like that. And obviously, I love video games. I've been playing video games basically all my life, and I've always been making one as a new change of pace and really be able to do whatever I want. So yeah, this is a shorter little video. It's not really a video, it's just you're staring at my home screen on my computer and I'm talking to you. You're probably very bored, which is why this is so short. But anyway, there will be a Discord that I'm having made, like an old Discord server for all of us to connect together and just chat. That will be in the description. There, you can follow me on Twitter. That's also in the description. Just comment down below what's up. So yeah, it's just a short little video, just telling you what's up, what this channel's about. Next video again will be up next week, like the 19th or so. Yeah. Be sure to subscribe and turn that push notification on so that when I upload next, you'll know.